In video 6, wire strippers and crimpers. These are some of the tools that professional electricians use when working with wires. It takes training and certification to work with electrical energy safely, but hobbyists often play with lower voltages. Wire cutters, strippers, and crimpers are the fundamental tools for working with wiring, whether you're a hobbyist or a trained professional. High-quality electrical tools can be expensive, but like other tools, they are worth it because they can last a lifetime. So let's splice an encoder wire on an educational toy. This is an EduMIP, an educational mobile inverted pendulum. And I'm going to splice the encoder cable. First, I'm going to take this stripper. It's an ideal Stripmaster, using the number 26 wire hole, which will cut into the insulation of a number 26 wire without nicking the conductor. Then I'm going to take these telephone butt connectors from an old store called Radio Shack, and then I'm going to crimp them with this crimper from Klein Tools. So the length of insulation that's stripped from the number 26 wire has to match 1/2 the length of the conductor of the butt connector to ensure a good crimp onto the conductor. So let's start with stripping. I'm going to take the black wire, wire number 1, then the other side. Take a butt connector, get it ready. Got to make sure all the wires go into the metal part. Crimp. Same thing with the other side. Oops. Crimp. That's a good connection. Another type of crimper is used to attach the pins to a wire for multi-pin connectors. These types of pins crimp onto the wire and the insulation at the same time, using a specialized crimping tool. So it becomes critical how far you push the wire into the connector before you crimp it. This is called stab depth. In manufacturing, using the correct stab depth is important to making a good electrical connection. An incorrect stab depth can end up crimping onto the insulation only. This may result in an unreliable electrical connection and a possible machine failure. Tools do not use special effects. Tools will never lie to you. And tools do not discriminate against the hand that holds them. I hope you found this video helpful.